Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. Today we will go over some common YouTube issues and how to fix them. It can be playback errors, loading problems, or account errors. So let's begin the video. If you have any of the problems with YouTube, the first thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause YouTube to buffer or not load videos at all. To fix this, you can restart your router, choose between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Clearing cache and data can resolve many playback and loading issues. Open your device settings, go to Apps, then click on YouTube, then Storage. Clear the cache and data from here. Also, an outdated browser or YouTube app can cause issues. Ensure you have the latest version. To check, go to the Play Store and update the YouTube app. Check YouTube server status. Sometimes the issue might be on YouTube's end. Check if YouTube is down or try restarting your phone. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.